Man, you don't look too good. What's wrong with you? Speak up. Yeah, man, use your outside voice. You hungry? Brains. Man, you can't say that word. Rappers have used it out of context so severely that now it's been elevated to censorship status. But if you are using it in the Webster's hip hop edition of the word, I know two sisters have a PhD doctorate. Brains. Is Daniel gonna have to Chris Brown a bitch? I believe Daniel is gonna have to Chris Brown a bitch. Man, I'm finna call Parole Officer Brown about this problem. Where the hell did these come from? And why is one open? Yeah, man, Zombie Puppet must have got out of here. I'm about to call this number stenciled on the side of this damn drum. I'm finna get to the bottom of this.
Name, please.
My name is Daniel.
Stay on the line, Mr. Daniel. You're being transferred.
Damn. This better be good for messing up my wet dream.
Colonel Glover, this is CompU. The key for the acceptance found. I will put you through to Daniel.
Jackpot, baby. Mr. Daniel, where are you calling from?
Yeah, man, I'm calling for Coldwater, Mississippi.
And when did all this take place? I see. And when would the tank first breach? I see. And then he said brains. Yes, I am aware that the hip-hop community had somehow turned that into a bad thing. A really good thing, in my opinion, though. And how many acres does Coldwater, Mississippi cover? I see. Well, thank you, Mr. Daniel. I'll be putting you back to the operator. Yeah, man. You're not gonna blow up Coldwater, Mississippi, are you? No, Mr. Daniel. That was just only in the movie.